How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a paper jam on your Epson EcoTank printer. I'm going to show you all the areas that you can look at and some areas where people actually forget and neglect. Now in this video, I'm using an ET-2959, but this actually applies to any EcoTank that looks like this. So that includes the 2980 series, which is for my Americans watching this. So maybe you have a 2985. Or even the 2950 series for my fellow Europeans. If you have like a 2955 or like a 2959, this applies. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Now, one of the first things first that's worth mentioning is that when you're clearing a paper jam, we're going to be sticking our hands inside the moving parts of this printer. And that means that you need to ensure that your printer is off. I don't want anyone to be losing fingers to an Epson EcoTank, alright? There are better things in this world to lose our fingers to, such as fireworks. So, let's get straight into it. Now, the first place that we're going to be looking for a paper jam is actually on the inside of the printer. This is the main area. And to access this on this specific printer, we're going to lift up the main tab by the side, so we can actually pull out the front screen, and then we can begin to lift up the entire lid, and the lid will click itself in place like so. And through here we have access to most of the internals of the printer. Now it's quite a tight squeeze. Unlike other printers, this one doesn't really open up the full way. And basically you just want to really have a look for any kind of piece of paper that might be sticking out, any corners, and if there's just like a tiny corner of a piece of paper sticking out, you want to pull it very gently, because the last thing you want is for the only area of paper that you can remove to be stuck in an area that's inaccessible by your fingers. So you want to just slowly and carefully remove any pieces that you see. So this is the primary section of the printer, and so this is where most of your jams are going to happen. However, there are more places to look. Now be careful, because there's a lot of plastic inside here. We don't want to break anything. Breaking any piece of plastic inside this printer is unfortunately like a death sentence for the EcoTank. Now, to close the lid, it's quite simple. You lift it up to release the latch, and sometimes it might land on a secondary latch like this. You lift it up again and it closes. So make sure you close that front area as well. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to check out this front proportion of the printer. Now this is an awesome feature. It automatically opens itself. Now there really isn't too much, and it's not very common that you'll see a jam in here. But you want to have a look on the top, and also if you push it back in, you can see a little bit on the bottom. Now this is a bit of an uncommon area for jams, but it's definitely worth having a look. When you're pulling this, also be careful. And also, yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the printer and show you underneath. Now somewhere you can have a look, which I recommend, is underneath. Now a lot of people neglect this area. Now I will say on this specific EcoTank, there is definitely less happening under here. However, again, this is somewhere where paper can get stuck, and you can even have a little bit of access to the rear internal rolls there. So again, look for any piece of paper sticking out at the bottom of the printer. Now let's put this upright, and we're going to turn it around to show you the final area. Now the final area we're going to look at is this back section of the printer, and this is where a lot of things happen. Now what we want to do is we want to use our fingers, and we're going to squeeze both of these sections. We can actually first have a look down into the paper tray to see if there's any jams. It's quite a common area. And then we're going to remove this back panel, which is just done by squeezing and pulling towards you carefully. And here we have a lot of access to the printer. First, we want to look in this paper feeding tray if there are any pieces of paper stuck. Remember, be very careful. This is fragile and also quite sharp on some of these edges. That seems okay on my printer. Now we're going to have a look into directly inside the printer. Again, be very careful inside here and look for any pieces of paper that might be sticking out. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Those are all the areas to look. Obviously, make sure you put this piece back on nice and carefully at the back. Make sure everything is installed correctly, and make sure all of the areas of your printer are closed adequately. And that's pretty much everything, guys. Those are all of the areas that you can possibly look for a paper jam in your Epson EcoTank printer. If this video helped, please consider subscribing, liking, and maybe even commenting. Check out our video. Check out our channel for other videos on the Epson EcoTank printer. We've basically got videos on every issue that can possibly occur. And check out the link in the description for a really in-depth setup guide where we take you through everything you need to get started on this machine. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.